Here's an app called Unfollow for followers. So just tap Get to install it. There are a bunch of apps in these categories, and all these apps are about a bit more advanced a bit more advanced Instagram analytics. Instagram has its own analytics, but it's not perfect. There are a lot of features which are missing and which users want to try out. So yeah, then you can just use some of these apps. Get deep insight and complete report about your profiles, and then yeah, you can see things like, of course, new followers, unfollowers, people who unfollowed you, followings but not following back, followers, not follow back, followers follow back, followers not follow back. So all of those things, like you can get, like, your head can crumble around it. But yeah, if you're using Instagram a lot, either for yourself or for your business, or you're becoming quite influential, let's say, on Instagram, you need to have all these stats to improve your outreach, and or just for your personal Instagram, just to know who of your friends are not following you back and all of these things. Yeah, so there you have it. So then you can just open an account, you can allow notifications, you can instantly see who unfollowed you, can see your account analytics, is it management, and then you just need to log in with your Instagram account.